It's possible. You, me, everybody, it's possible to study abroad because it's so easy, it's so fast, it's so affordable, not so expensive as how you think about it.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming. In today's video, as you can see, we have a special guest over here. I'll give him the chance to introduce himself.
My name is Ifa Obed, and I'm in the 5th year in the Bukovina State Medical University.
Yeah, the best university.
Exactly, you know that. In the whole of Europe.
Yeah, not just Ukraine, but Europe. Yeah, so in today's video, I'm sure most people, since my video is about Ukraine and my life in Ukraine and everything, I'm sure most of you want to know the process, everything, the steps you need to come and study in Europe, Ukraine inclusive. So today we are going to give you every detail, everything you need to know. In Ghana, like when they say Ukraine, most of us are like, oh, medicine. Like that's the course that is medicine in Ukraine. So I'm sure maybe Ghana didn't give you the medicine you want to offer, like how they did to me. They didn't give you the medicine you want to offer in Ghana. And so don't worry, Ukraine, you can come here and come and study, do your medicine, and go back, write your exam, and you are good to go. So I'll leave everything to him. He's very good at it. He knows all the details, everything. Of course, he has brought a lot of people here. He's more or less like an agent, yeah. So he's going to give us an introduction of studying in abroad, and we'll go into the questions, yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, Erina. Thank you for this big platform. Yeah. Actually, I can see that things are going on here. Yeah. And good. Yeah, so let's go straight to the agenda for today. You know that everybody in life has the idea or have the dream to pursue his or her life career. And as we all know, we live in a different world, our different environment and different society. And we know that most of the times people do travel abroad to study, to pursue their dream, to pursue their vision in life. And speaking about studies, what I would say is that it's possible. You, me, everybody, it's possible to study abroad because it's so easy, it's so fast, it's so affordable, not so expensive as how you think about it. And it's very easy. Let's go in this way. To be able to apply to any university in this world, you must be a student. First of all, you should know that you must be a student.
Of course.
And back in Ghana, we write the WASI. We write the WASI certificate. So you must be a student who has completed the senior high school, who has a very good grade. Not grades as in A1 or 8 A's, 7 A's, 5, no. It's supposed to be A1 to C6. That's the average score. So whenever you know, or whenever you have your results and you know these grades A1 to C6, then you are eligible to apply for any school you want to study in Europe. And you know that admission usually comes into play when you apply. You can't sit in your home and just have admission. You need to apply. So after application, then you can move further with your processes and your plans and your ideas. And you need to have a very accurate knowledge, because if you don't have the right information, then I tell you, you're going to be in a ditch. You should have the right information. As you and me, we can read and understand and even give explanations. You must know the right knowledge. Knowledge is there, but you should have the right knowledge. You can read on the school's website, or you can seek for counsel. That's the agency who or she is going to help you to have a very clear understanding of what you are about to follow yourself or apply with yourself. So that's the basically the overall idea that you want to if you want to study abroad. And it's so easy, it's so affordable, once again, that we can be able to achieve it. And I think that we shall be discussing more and more as times goes on. So that's basically wise.
Okay, so thank you very much for that introduction. I think you even covered some of my questions that I wanted to ask, but I'll still ask anyway. So my first question is, when should I start this process? Everything. When should I start, and then how long does it take to apply?
Yeah, for you to start applying for the school or the school of your choice, formally or generally you used to apply from the month of May to August. This is the reason, or this is because in the European countries, most of the times the official studies usually starts in September 1. So for you to be on a good standing and also ready for academics, you should be able to apply earlier so you can join your colleagues and friends to start in the September 1. But in case you are late, or in case there are issues here and there that you want to come later, you can come. But let me use my country that I'm in, for instance, that's Ukraine. When you come after September 1 or around, let's say, October, you'll be compelled to go through the preparatory course. That's the chemistry, physics, and biology, plus the Ukrainian language. Yeah. So I think this is what you do, or the time frame for.
I think I didn't start my own early, or I started early. I don't really remember, but I came here in October. By the grace of God, I didn't do the preparatory.
Oh, then you are lucky.
Yeah, I know, because I would have been in second year by now.
Yeah.
So that's I was very lucky. So do you study in English?
I think this is also a very good question. That's the language of command. What we have here, because back in our country, that's Ghana, our official language is English, and these countries have also been able to make things familiar with us. So we do study, or you shall be studying in English. That's the command of teaching. But in case that you are also blessed with other tongues like the country's language, you can study in English, because I know friends who are in Russia that do studying and they are doing fantastically well. So you can
transferred.
Yeah, because when you do study in the local language, your fees is lesser. You don't pay much as somebody who is studying the English language.
For the language, I'm so not good at it. So I'm very lucky that we are studying English, because I don't know how I'll be studying anatomy in Ukrainian language.
I know that. No, it's going to be.
But it's okay. So another question is, can I apply by myself? Because we have a lot of agents there. I know a friend, she's in Sumi, and she applied, she got an agent. This agent actually took the money away, and then she had to apply again. It was a whole lot of issues. So if I want to do it by myself, because we have people out there that they don't like people doing things, but
they want to do by themselves.
Do it by themselves. If I'm doing it by myself, I have my passport. What's the steps 1, 2, 1, 2, 2?
If you want to apply by your own self, it's very good. It's very clear, and there's no limitation. But I will give you the advice in this way, because as I said earlier, people or personnel have these jobs as their daily income. So I will advise you to have the right knowledge, the accurate information to be able to apply. Every school has its own website. You can go there straight to go and read by your own self, just to know the requisites and the accurate document that you need to apply. But also, I will advise you to also have this understanding that whenever you speak to an agent, the agent has the knowledge. He or she has been doing this work for a long time, you know that. So they know the up and downs of all these documents and all these applications. So you can go straight to the school's website to apply. You can also speak to the agent for him or her to go via all these processes for you to enhance admission. So you can go straight. That's fantastic. You can also speak to the agent, and he is going to help you.
For me, my own is I want to do it by myself. So how do I do it by myself? From my passport.
For your passport.
The next step.
As we discussed earlier, first of all, you need to go to the school's website. Every university or every European university has a website. You know that. So go to the school's website. You go to the admissions column. You just click. Every information will be given to you. Whatever you want there, your passport details, your age, your date of birth. Every information will be given to you. As far as you can read and write and understand, you can apply by yourself and get the required information there. And after application, you should wait for the school to respond, for the school to be able to know, okay, Esther, what you sent to us, we've been able to receive and we shall respond. That is the invitation. The invitation is the most important, it's the first step to admission. So whenever you've gotten the invitation, that's when you can proceed. There's a hope that you are coming to Ukraine straight. You can go further to the VFS, with your documents, and you move on and on and on.
So
and on.
VFS, I take my invitation and then my passport.
Yep.
My
certificate.
Yeah. And then my birth certificate.
Birth certificate.
So those are the documents.
Yeah, and you shall take document from the oath from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
Okay.
Whenever you go there, you speak to them, you want to travel abroad or you're going to study abroad. They'll give you the document. I think it's 2 leaflets. Yeah, they'll give it to you, and I think you pay some money, just something small, and you attach this document to that and you submit it.
Then you submit.
Yeah.
Then you wait for some time.
Yeah, I think 1 to 2 months.
Okay.
Yeah, because when you apply, maybe you've gotten your invitation around June. You have July and August. So these 2 months you can use to enhance and do all the necessary documentation that you can wait and secure a visa to study. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when you wait and then you now receive the visa.
Yeah.
That's if you get.
Yeah, if you are granted. And,
you are granted.
And you shall, because you're a student, so you're not going to do anything in Europe. You're going to study. And at times, visa it lies in the bosom of the consular. You get it, and it depends on your documentation. And let me also add this: we forgot to speak about the bank statement.
Oh yes.
You see, the bank statement it speaks about your availability, your power to able to sponsor yourself whenever you come to Europe. So your bank statement must be very, very beautiful. Let me use the word beautiful, because if you don't have a very good bank statement, the consular or the person issuing the visa can't really trust your process or can't trust your stay here to pursue your dream life or your dream plan. Yeah.
What are the main courses offered in Ukraine?
Yes.
This limited to Ukraine, since I'm in Ukraine.
Okay. So good. So if you want to study Europe, what do you want to come and study in Europe? Are you coming to dance or jump? You're not going to dance and jump, You have the courses, you have the humanities, the sciences, and the medicine. So the medicine, we have, let me branch it in this way, the pharmacy, the dentistry, the engineering, the international relations, economics. You can have all these as courses, and I know that it's being put at the school's website that you can see by your own self and have your choice. And I tell you, you like it, you come and study here.
So we've come to the end of the video. So those are the steps and the documents and everything that you need. If you have any question, you can leave it down in the comments section. I will answer everything. If anything that maybe I don't even know, I'll ask the authorities, because we are very free with the teachers over here. So I'll give every answer and every information you guys need. So just write it in the comment section, and then make sure you like this video, you share to your friends and anyone you think that is coming to Ukraine. And you don't have to, it's not just those who completed SHS. When you are in university, you can be in first year, second year, any year you can even apply. So share this video to everyone and subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And for today's video, our word will be given by our guest. So you give us a Ukrainian word.
For today's word, I would say that it's called the dopomoha.
Wow.
Dopomoha means help.
Oh, okay.
To help. Dopomoha. That's help.
Okay. Thank you very much. So I think that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. And you can also subscribe. Thank you.